All right, so now I'm going to put all of these, the last two parts, the last two features here. I'll cut out this and I'll cut out this, kind of making the legs there. So I'll start with a 2D sketch on this surface here. I'll create a rectangle from somewhere down here. The trick with your rectangle is that you don't want it to be stuck on the center, because otherwise it'll be constrained there and it'll be hard to place it where you want it. So I'm just going to click somewhere that I'm on the bottom. The width of the rectangle is 0.25. Oops, sorry, it's asking for the height. The height of this rectangle, so that's going to be the 3 units. So I'm going to put in here 3 times 0.25. When I hit tab, I go to the width of this rectangle and it'll just be 0.25. I hit enter. All right, I have that rectangle correctly dimensioned in there, but I'm missing one more piece. What I'm missing now is a location dimension. I only have size dimensions in there. So I go to dimension, and from the side to the side of that rectangle I just put in there, that needs to be 2 units or 0.5. So you can either let Inventor do the math, or 2 times 0.25. I think we can do that in our heads all right, is 0.5. And now it is correctly located. It has the correct location dimensions and size dimensions. I'll hit finish sketch and I will go to extrude. I click on what I want to have extruded, and it wants to add material. In order to take away material, I click on the center here. And then for the extents, I want it to just go to all. The reason I want to do that is if I made an error in something else, this will always extrude all the way through. Go ahead and hit OK. Then I have one more piece that I need to put in here. 2D sketch on the back of, let's say it's a chair sort of thing. And that's just going to be this cutout right here. So I'm going to create a rectangle. It's going to start here, and it's going to be 3 times 0.25 by just 0.25. And as with the last feature that I put in, we always need to make sure to put in location dimension. So I'll go back to dimension, and from one of the sides, it doesn't matter which one, you just need to make sure that it's 0.25 over from the side. I'll hit finish sketch, and that rectangle is ready to go. I hit extrude. I click on the rectangle, and once again, it's trying to add material. I need to click on the cut material right in the middle of the extrude dialog box. And for the extent, I'm going to change that to all, just so that it goes all the way through no matter what the thickness is. Go ahead and hit OK, and that is your part.